one more piece of follow-up. This is the question I posed to you, and I said, what does this look like? Okay. Now there's an easy way and there's a hard way to do this. Hard ways would be, okay, let's try out some values, right? Because that's the way you did the original function. Another hard way would be to say, okay, I wonder if I can like do some differentiation and things like that, which some of you already know, the rest of you will learn today. The easy way is always in maths, you've noticed, right? So much about solving problems is taking a problem that you do not know and trying to phrase it in terms of something you do know. Now, we labor over what this looks like. We know what it looks like. How can you express this in those terms? The answer is, what is this? Like, what is, it's cosine. It's cosine. Cosine gets its definition from sine, right? Specifically, cos x, what's it equal to in terms of sine? It's sine of, well, we want the complement, don't we? That's the complement, isn't it? Okay. So therefore, this top thing should be sine inverse of sine that. Right? Okay. Now, how does that relate to that? There are two changes, aren't there? What are the two changes? Number one, there's a phase shift because this thing, unlike this, does have phase. Okay. And number two, there's a reflection. Now the funny thing is, when you reflect something like this because of the symmetry, right, it ends up looking very similar, okay? But there you go, that's enough pieces. It's still going to be that kind of jagged, linear sort of thing, but it's going to be moved over and reflected, okay? So there's your answer. You can work it out as you like.